welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and this is going to be a quick video. I have to put this out there real quick for all of my locticians of the world. This is for y'all. This is for y'all. This is also for people with locks who go and get their locks serviced, okay? Share this information with the person that does your locks because this is important, and I have to put it out here in these lock streets. And y'all need to stop. Y'all need to stop, okay? And this is pertaining to loc styling. What not to do when styling locks. And it's very simple. Y'all already know the first one I'm going to say. What not to do when styling locks. Go ahead. I know y'all already know. And it ain't ding, 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 lock popping. Please stop popping these people locks. Please stop popping these people locks. I'm going to leave my video right here at the top of the screen. Okay, click on it. I just did a video not too long ago speaking about this. Okay, and I went into details. If you don't know what lock popping is, check out the video at the top of the screen. I'll leave it at the top and in the description box what lock popping is. Stop popping people locks. Y'all causing thinning and breaking locks, okay? People are not reaching their length goals because of this particular lock styling technique. They're not reaching it. They're not going to make it. They're not going to make it, okay? And I'm pretty sure you guys have experienced thinning and breaking locks. And you wonder why. There are quite a few reasons for thinning and breaking locks. I did a video on that too. I'll leave it here. Causes for thinning and breaking locks. But lock popping is right now the number one. Okay, lock popping. The lock popping styling technique is running rampant in these streets. Okay, it's out here. All right, and you need to know, because if you don't know, then you just, if you have length goals, you may want to know what this is, okay? And so the next one that I'm going to go ahead and mention, what not to do when you are styling your locks, okay? And that is tight styles. Tight styles, okay? I see people doing styles on the internet, okay? Instagram. I'm on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, y'all. Follow me on Instagram. There's a lot of greatness over there. But what I see happening is when these locticians and you know, no tea, no shade to y'all. You guys are very talented. Beautiful styles. I see you guys doing your thing, okay? I just have to mention here a word of caution to when you're doing your client's hair, be very mindful about how the style feels on the client's head. You can't feel what your client is feeling, okay, as you're styling. Like I've seen, for example, you know, like burl braids, okay? So they call them burl braids. And you know, when you're doing those burl braids and those fishtail braids, especially when you get back here to the bottom of that neck, right there, girl, when you get to the bottom of the neck, oh my God, y'all know that's the most tender part. Like the edges, period. All of the edges are tender. That's the most sensitive part on anybody's head. Please make sure y'all not pulling people's edges out with these tight braids and fishtail braids, especially at the bottom of the neck. Especially right here, when you get down to the bottom and you're doing the burl and you pulling that lock over and you're not being mindful of the fact that you're pulling. I be seeing the skin come up, y'all, on the bottom of the neck when they doing the styles. And I be ouching for them, like, please, y'all. Please be careful with the tightness of the styles, all right? Because, again, y'all know I've been doing this a long time, okay? I ain't new to this. I'm true to this, okay? And I've seen it, and I talk to people, okay? Especially in the lock community. And I have quite a few clients who come to me, and some of my OG clients when they first came to me. Everyone who comes to me, all of my clients who come to me, unfortunately, has a horror story about their locks, okay? They come to me with their locks damaged, and You know, I gotta nurse them back to health. They come to me with all of the stories and the experiences that they've had out here dealing with some of the services that they have received, and this is the reason they be in the position that they're in. I spoke with a young lady one day when I was at the gym. Okay, I was at the gym. Very random, right? I'm at the gym and I was speaking to this lady. She had locks and she was telling me, okay, she was telling me because I complimented her on her locks. So we actually started talking. And in the conversation, she was telling me how she had gotten a loc style for her son's graduation, and it was like out of town. I think he like graduated from college, and she had a loc style. She had her hair done for the graduation, and the style was so tight. It was painful. Okay, it was painful, and she said she had bumps, you know, the tight bumps all around her neck, okay? But she said she had to thug it out, y'all. She thugged it out until the end of the graduation because she wanted to be cute for her son graduation pictures, and she had gotten her hair done for the graduation, so she didn't want to take it out because, you know, that was the whole reason she got it done. But, you know, the style was so tight on this lady head that now she's talking about she don't even want locks no more. She said she is over it, okay? She said she don't want locks no more, if this what she got to deal with. And unfortunately, she was in an earlier part of her journey. I believe she was like a year locked, and you know, it was like, I believe it was her first style. It was the first style she had, the first or the second, but she was new in her lock journey, and yeah, that's what it brought her to. That's what it brought her to. And you know, I see it myself, okay? Because I'm a professional loctician, I'm also a master loc stylist. Shameless plug. I see it happening, y'all. I see it happening all the time, and I cringe. I cringe. My heart goes out to y'all edges, okay? My heart goes out to y'all edges and y'all neck. It does. I be feeling y'all pain. I be feeling y'all pain every time I see them do it. That's why I gotta do this video, okay? And when they... And if you don't know about lock popping, y'all, please get hip. Please get hip, okay? But those are the things that I do not recommend when it comes to styling locks. So share this video with any locticians that you know who does hair. This is no shade. This is no tea, no shade. This is just your good sis, Kenyatta, just letting you know, pump your brakes on the tightness of those styles. And if you don't know what lock popping is, if you're lock popping and you're not aware of it, and you know, you're just doing it, you know, because just a lack of information, and you're just doing it because you're trying to get the neatness and you're trying to, you know, satisfy your client. I get it. I understand. Okay? But understand that when you're popping locks, you're damaging your client's locks. So pump your brakes. Don't do that. Don't do that, okay? I'm not coming down on nobody. I'm not trying to be negative. I'm putting this information out there because I care. Because I care. And I want you guys' locks to be healthy, and I want everybody to shine. Okay? So, Loc Nation, we outside. All right? We outside. Updo season is upon us. Okay? So stay tuned because I got a lot of that coming. All right? So I'm just going to stop yapping on here because I pretty much made my points already, y'all. Comment down below, you know, your experiences. If you've experienced the same things that I've mentioned here in this video, let me know. I would love to hear it. And also the people who are watching this video would love to hear some of you guys' experience too. Let's connect, y'all. Listen. Spread the word, all right? Spread the word. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Any locticians you know seeking loc styling inspiration, okay? Don't forget to turn on your notifications and subscribe. You don't want to miss a video from me. Listen, I'm going to go ahead. It is your girl Kenyatta here, okay? It is your girl Kenyatta here. Y'all know I ride with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.